Big Ed is one of the most well-known and well-liked characters on the program, 90 Day Fiancé. He has been a member of the program for a few seasons now. Initially, he was in a relationship with Rosemarie Vega, a gorgeous Filipina girl. From the start of the show, the pair was not on the same page. Many people were wary of the couple's marriage since they would quarrel almost every episode. The pair had a rough time in their relationship since they had to deal with a lot of backlash from their cast and fans. As we all know, they came from entirely different backgrounds and nations, making it difficult for them to adjust to one another's lives. Fans of the 90 Day Fiancé program cheer Rose Vega when she dumped Big Ed Brown on 90 Day Fiancé before the 90 days. But the obnoxious American may be attempting to reclaim his ex-girlfriend, much to the chagrin of viewers. When Rose quit Big Ed after treating her with atrocious disrespect, including criticizing her attractiveness and living conditions, she became an internet hero. Meanwhile, Big Ed is receiving many flags from his fans after a phone call between him and his ex-girlfriend Liz was made public. On the other hand, the American appears to believe he can still romance a single Filipina mother 2 years after she retired from television. Rose went on to have a tremendous career outside of the franchise. The mother of the 90 Day Fiancé is a self-made success and well-known social media celebrity and model with over 700,000 YouTube followers. Meanwhile, fans of the franchise have commended Rose for recognizing her value and refusing to settle for less or compromise herself during the last 2 years. On the other hand, Big Ed has grown in popularity as a series villain due to his weird and disrespectful actions against substantially younger ladies like Rose. On 90 Day, The Single Life, the 56-year-old recently split from Liz, which resulted in the airing of a phone call that many have interpreted as him being verbally abusive to his ex. Rose, being a single mom and star of 90 Day Fiancé, has overcome adversity to create a good life for herself and her family. Rose's success has delighted franchise fans who tend to believe that the 25-year-old deserves far more than Big Ed can provide. Many viewers find the 56-year behavior old, offensive, and unsettling because he exclusively dates people half his age or younger. Furthermore, he is nasty to significant others. Many 90 Day Fiancé fans have demanded that TLC terminate Big Ed. Some fear that the reality star and popular meme will continue to feature in the franchise.